Hi friends, welcome back. Myself KG Singh, GEG Leader Agra, and my channel is GEG Agra or Techie Krish. So in the same series of Google Sheets, I am going to discuss as I was discussing filter function in Google Sheets. So in the same sequence, I am going to discuss the filter option again, and here I'll have to apply some conditions. So how to apply conditions? The first condition I am going to apply uh, and means to combine the conditions using and or. But uh, for your information, I would like to tell you that and or operators have some issues with the filter, so they cannot be directly applied to the filter function. So in place of filter, I'll apply into for and plus for or. So what I am going to filter out from the sheet. So I have a sheet, and from that sheet, I'm going to filter out those records which satisfy the condition. So we'll move to our Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. So here there is a header, and I want to filter out the records from this sheet. So here this is a sheet. From this sheet, I am going to filter out only those records who scored more than 75 or equal to 75 in chemistry, and same with computer science. So students who have scored more than 75 or equals to 75 in chemistry and in computer science, I'll have to filter out from this sheet to another sheet. So this where I have to copy or filter out and copy the records. So this is the sheet which is blank, and here I'm going to filter out those records from data sheet 2. Correct? So how to apply that? For that, bring the mouse pointer to the cell. I have taken the header already, and here the first thing which I have to apply is equal sign. So here this equal sign, let me magnify this. Now this is visible. Fine. Equal, then I'll type filter, and oh, forgotten to put equal sign here, and then filter. Then I'll have to apply the range. Well, I'll have to go to sheet from where I'm going to filter out the range. So this is the range I'm going to filter, and from this range I'll have to filter those records where students have scored more than equals to 75 in chemistry and computer science. So I'll have to apply condition like from chemistry should be greater equals to 75, and this is the AND operator. Computer science is equals to 75. So my conditions are specified, and again I have to close the parenthesis. So here the parenthesis is closed. Now let's see what happens to my filter. See here, more than 75 in chemistry, more than 75 in computer science. So I have filtered out all those records where students have scored more than 75 or equal to 75 in chemistry and in computer science. So and the new thing is I have applied into sign in place of and, because and has some issue with filter. So we cannot use and directly with filter. Hope this is clear. So this is your filter with conditions and using and operator. And if I apply or operator, means in place of into, I'll have to apply plus sign. It means students who have scored more than 75 in chemistry or more than 75% in computer. In that case, I'll have to apply plus sign, because either chemistry 75 or computer science 75. So as soon as I press enter, so see here, either more than 75% in chemistry or more than 75% in computer science. So this is your OR, and I think this gives better performance into. So this is and OR. So hope you like the method of putting and or operators here in the filter. So if you have any query, kindly put it down in the description box, and when I see your query, I'll try to resolve that. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the notification as and when the video is created. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.